Where's the ball, Mary? We'll get the ball. How's that working for you? You're a silly girl. Where's the ball? We'll get the ball. Where's the ball? Oh, Mary, you're too funny. Where's the ball? Well, get the ball. Get it. I'm so glad that's your furniture and not mine. Where's the ball? Go get it. Go get the ball. Oh, Mary, you're funny. Get it. Get the ball. You actually moved it back a few inches, you bugger. Oh, good girl. Good girl. Yes, I know. Okay, so now throw it.